Okay, so as you guys know, I was using the iPhone Air for some time, and that phone, if anything, it made me realize that I really like the bigger displays. You guys probably saw that video already, but it's kind of crazy how something like this, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, how being basically the same phone as a 17 Pro gives me somewhat of a different experience. I personally think that this phone really fits my day-to-day a lot better, and having a battery that is this powerful, like guys, I easily spend a day and a half sometimes without charging this phone, and I'm still very surprised how good Apple did with this model. The iPhone 17 Pro for me, kind of like what made me want to sell it, was just the display size. The battery obviously is not as good as the Max. It wasn't bad at all. I mean, it was basically operating at a max level compared with the other years, but I consume a lot of media. I read a lot on my phone, and a screen like this over time started bothering my eyes a little bit. So when I switched to the Air for that time, I realized that, to be honest, 6.5 I think is the perfect size for me, more than the Max, but I missed the features of the Pro phone, so I ended up switching to the Pro Max. But this phone, honestly, is the perfect overall phone. There's many features here that are very much Pro DNA, like I talked in my video, but it feels great. I just hope that Apple keeps iterating on it so we can have a better version of this in the future. But as of now, the only complaint that I really had was I didn't have the RAW photos and the ultra wide, which are cameras that I use very often. That made me think why I just don't try the Max. So, as a very responsible person, I bought it. So I had all three phones for a little bit, and I was just playing around with them, trying to figure out which one was best for me, because at the beginning I was sold on the size of the Pro. Obviously, it's more comfortable in hand, it fits better in your pocket, but when you have a display like the Max, you kind of like are okay with the compromises of the size. So even though it still bothers me a little bit because it's definitely huge, it's a compromise I'm willing to have for all the other benefits. And the display size and battery aren't the only difference. You also have the speakers that are significantly louder on the Pro Max. The quality is basically the same. They sound as clear to me. Anyways, this is a ramble. I'm just talking nonsense. I'm just wanting to turn the camera on, make a video of this, just talking to you guys in a more casual way about my experience with the Pro Max and the Pro and the Air, obviously too. And now between all three of them, I will be keeping the 17 Pro Max and the iPhone Air, because those two not only are, to me, in my opinion, the best Apple has to offer right now, but also I have so much content planned for those two by themselves that I don't think the 17 Pro really adds anything to me at the moment. So because of that, has been sold, so I need to chip it. Actually, it's not mine anymore. This is the last time it'll be shown in the video, and that's basically it. I don't have much to really say about the differences between them because I reviewed the 17 Pro already, and the 17 Pro Max is basically the same phone. I couldn't find a way to make a video that was long talking about these differences, so I just wanted to make a short video, more natural, more raw, talking with you guys about my experience, because it may help you decide if one is better than the other for you. In my case, I keep those two that are fairly different, where I can make a ton of content on, and the 17 Pro, unfortunately, will not stay. But yeah, I think that's all I got. So if you like this type of content and you like more of this casual stuff, I enjoyed it. I think it's pretty good. I enjoy just talking to you guys in this way. It feels more natural, and I can bring this up more with reviews that maybe do not need to have a full video, or something that doesn't have to be 10 minutes long, like the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I already reviewed the 17 Pro, there's not really a reason for me to make another video about it. So something short like this makes more sense. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care. Bye. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you